Hey, what's up guys? It's Louis from threepiece.us, and if you're watching this video right now, it's probably because you're not exactly sure how to measure your wheel correctly, but that's alright because we're going to cover all of that in today's video. But before we start, please subscribe. We're trying to grow this channel as much as we can and as quickly as we can, and we can't do it without you guys, so please smash that little red button and also turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any other videos that we do in the future. But for now, let's jump right into today's video. Alright, so how to measure wheels. Now I know this sounds like a really simple question, but if you're in the market for new wheels, we definitely don't want you spending thousands of dollars on wheels that at the end of the day, they don't fit. So we're here to avoid all of that, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're gonna have to do before we start measuring your wheel, if you haven't already, dismount your tires to get an accurate reading. Once you've done that, you grab your measuring tape and your wheel, and we're gonna go ahead and start off by measuring the diameter. Now you would assume you would start from outside to outside, but in fact that's wrong. You don't want to do that. It's always inside to inside. Now keep in mind, this inside to inside concept is going to be used throughout the measuring process, so you want to keep that in mind. So the correct way to find the diameter is to start from the inside of the lip and measure straight across to the other side of the lip, which would give us a 17-inch in diameter. So now that we found the diameter of the wheel, let's go ahead and jump right into the width. What you want to do is measure straight across from bead seat to bead seat, and that will give you your width of the wheel. So in this case, if we put all that together, we'll have a 17 by 11.5-inch wheel. All right, so now that we found our diameter and width, I want to show you guys how to measure your lip and barrel separately. So first we're going to start off with the lip. Find your bead seat and measure to the middle of the sealant line. And for the barrel, it's going to be the exact same thing. Measure from the bead seat to the sealant line. And that's how you'll measure a lip and barrel individually. Let us know down in the comment box what you guys think of the video, and also if you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. We really hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you guys haven't already, hit that like button and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you guys don't miss out on any of our vlogs that we post in the future. And as always, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.